Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make Eckleo me. So sorry if I'm not pronouncing that right, but there's a YouTuber called Eckleo, if I'm pronouncing that right, who has this me. So here we go. You want to have this face, you want to have some freckles, and none of these, and just keep it white skin. Just keep this hair, it's not very often we have that hair. And just keep that. No, put that colour. You want these eyebrows and these positions. And this colour. You want these eyes, these positions. Pause the video anytime you need to. And this colour eyes. You want this nose, these positions. This mouth, these positions. And it doesn't matter what colour you change it to because it's a black mouth, so a lot of friends online. You just choose that mouth and keep everything the same with it. No facial hair, no moles. Gender male. Keep the body where it is. Want these glasses and these positions. And this colour. And favourite colour, light green. And then type in Eckleo, E-C-K-L-E-O. Then done. You have made Eckleo me.